Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons, hello my lions. This is our patron in review for the week of the 22nd through the 28th. Well, actually through the 26th because I put 5 out a week. So on the 22nd, the title of the video is I Wanna Wow Ya. Yes it is. On the 23rd, Catching Up. Should we? On the 24th, Stumbling Blocks. On the 25th, Can You Focus? And on the 26th, Animal Brain. Yep. So I know those are interesting titles. For $5, you can go over there and watch all the videos you want that I've made. This is just for last week, but once you sign up, you get to go back and look at any videos, okay? So I hope that you join me, become part of the Patreon group, and become one of my patrons. I'm looking forward to having you over there, and I know that you'll enjoy it. Years ago, or even a year ago, I used to put these types of videos on the regular YouTube channel, but I don't anymore. They're over there because I'm a creator, and I want to be reimbursed for what I do. And that's the truth. On this channel, if you're skipping the commercials, you know, the little ads, if you push skip, I don't get paid. So I get very little money for doing a lot of work for you guys. And I don't mind it, and I want you to have something, a platform to look at every day so that you'll do something every day to get yourself in this baby step mode to get your home where you want it to be. But the more in-depth videos are going to happen on Patreon. $5 a month is not a lot, even on a tight budget. It's not a lot. You're getting 20 good videos. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful, so be beautiful.